Hello, I am Eugenia, and I am going to present my poster in which I talk about the cyberbullying. First of all, I am going to explain the definition of cyberbullying. The cyberbullying is a term that is used to describe when, through digital information and media such as email, social media, web pages, mobile phones, and apps, is harassed to an individual or group through personal attacks. In this pie chart, we can see that the social networks is the most widely used for carrying out these attacks in a 40.4%. It's followed by attacks in person, that it's followed by attacks through WhatsApp, that it's followed by attacks through phone calls. Here we can see some examples of how it manifests. Like, discharge the victim email address on certain websites, create a fake profile or space on behalf of the victim to write personal confessions of the victim, hanging a compromised image on the internet that can harm or embarrass the victim, or circulate rumors, the most of the time that they are fake, in which the victim is accused of repressive offensive. And at last, but not least, some tips to avoid. For example, communicate appropriately, keep private things private, that is very important. Think before posting and sharing, that in my opinion is one of the most important. Don't respond or retaliate. Seek help at the first indication of cyberbullying, and use available technology as blocking the user that is attacking you. My personal opinion is that we may stop cyberbullying steadily. It affects too many young people and has many consequences on them. They introduce to them certain values that are so offensive and wrong. This is all. I hope you like it and that you learn that it used to learn about the cyberbullying and that you enjoy it. Bye bye!